Hey everyone. Alright, today we're also going to look at area of triangles. Okay, area of triangles. Now, this means we want to know how much space a triangle takes up. If we say had, oh gosh, I don't know, say this was like in your backyard in the corner where the fences meet and you want to put bricks down for a nice little fire pit, say, in the middle here. Let's just do some fire. Okay, yeah, it's beautiful. And you want to know how many bricks you would have to buy to cover the area of this little sort of patio area at the back. Again, these are your fences, and we're gonna get bricks to put in here. So you have a nice little fireplace, place to put to make s'mores and all that. Let me just show you my artistic prowess here. Oh my gosh, these bricks are terrible. Oh, they're brutal. Anyways, you get the idea. Let me just finish it off here. Okay. If anyone ever bricks your backyard and it looks anything like this, ask for your money back. But for all intents and purposes, this is what we're going to go with. So say you wanted to know how many bricks you'd have to buy to finish this little area off. Well, the area of a triangle is very similar to a rectangle, except there's one extra spot, and that is we need to divide by 2. Okay? So basically, similar to rectangles, we would take the vertical measurement, times it by the horizontal measurement. So let me throw some numbers in here. These look pretty close. Let's say this is 8 meters and this is 7 meters. And if we wanted to find the area of this little patio, how many bricks we would need to cover it, we're going to go vertical times horizontal and then divide it by 2. So the area of this triangle here is simply 7 times 8 divided by 2. So we would get 56 divided by 2, which is 28. Don't forget our units, meters squared. Okay? So triangles, you're going to use the same vertical, completely vertical, by horizontal, 7 times 8, and then divided by 2. So in this case, 56 divided by 2 gives us this 28. So why does that work? Well, let's take a look here. Let's say I outlined the vertical measurement and the horizontal measurement in green here. Now, let's say I just sketched in these two sides here. So now, like, what shape is this green area I've just sort of sketched in? Well, it's a rectangle, right? How do we find the area of a rectangle? 8 times 7, we would get 56, right? So if we look specifically at this patio area from corner to corner here, what have I done? This area with the bricks makes up exactly 1/2 of this full green bordered rectangle, right? This bricked area here is half. This is the other half, and this is 1/2 here. So the formula, that's why we divide by 2, okay? You take the 7, take the 8, you pretend it's the area of a full rectangle, which would be 56 meters squared. But because we just have the triangle we're concerned with here, we can divide it by 2. And that's why the formula to find the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Now, before I confuse you guys, these formulas that use, I explained this in the rectangular tutorial, with the length and the width, In triangles, they call it base and height, but you don't need to worry about that. All you need to know is that these B and or the B here and the H here stand for the vertical measurement and the horizontal measurement. Similar to the rectangles. It doesn't matter which one you call the base and which one you call the height, as long as you're considering the horizontal measurement, 8, and the vertical measurement, 7, you can call these whatever you want. So it's almost like it should be like vertical by horizontal divided by 2. Just don't get hung up on, oh no, I don't know the base and I don't know the height. If you can identify the horizontal measurement and the vertical measurement, 7 and 8, and then get them and divide them by 2, you're good to go. Okay? So that's how you find the area of a triangle. It's the same as a rectangle with one extra step. Divide it by 2. Split it into 2, which I've shown here. Okay? Bye for now.